Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be testing out these silicone makeup applicators. Okay guys, so to start I'm going to be putting this Pacifica Hydro Mist on my face just to hydrate my face and kind of prime it, because I just want to add some more. Next step is to do our eyebrows, and I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution brow pomade that is almost out, and this eyebrow duo pencil from e.l.f. Okay guys, I'm done with both brows now, and now we're going to go in with our concealer and our small angled brush and clean up the brows. Okay guys, I'm back and I'm done with both eyebrows. So now I'm just going to apply some primer. I'm going to be using this e.l.f. primer. Put more on my face. And let that sit for a while. While this is drying, we're going to open these little silicone things that I got to try out with our scissors. Comes with a clear one and a pink one. This is how it looks. And here's the pink one. Let me get it out. I think we're going to use the clear one so you guys can see the foundation better. Using my Tarte foundations, but I use both because one is too light and one is too dark to put by itself, so I put both together and mix them. I'm gonna put it onto the applicator thing. Let me see, here we go. There's a foundation, and I'm just gonna start putting it on my face, guys. Let's see what happens. I don't really know how to use this. I don't know how to hold this. It's awkward. Sounds funny. So far, let's see. It gets everything good, and it puts it really good on the face. Like, you're not wasting any product because it really gets on you. It's all gone and on my face. These aren't that bad, guys, except that it got my finger dirty. So I'm gonna just put it on the tip part and then do this, and it'll be cleaner, I think. Here we go again on this side. I don't know, but I think it's pretty good. Should have read what it says. Uses less makeup than a sponge or brush. Yeah, it does use less because I usually dab it everywhere on my face. And it says how to apply. Use a small amount of makeup. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Blend and tap to smooth product onto your skin. Repeat, layer, and blend as needed. Clean with lukewarm water and mild soap as often as needed. Okay, so far, guys, I really like it. For $1, guys, let me zoom you guys in so you can see really good. You see? It looks pretty good to me. Really can't put a lot, guys, because I mean, a little tiny bit goes a long way with this thing. The only thing is that it's hard to work around your brows and everything. And it's getting all over my eyebrows. So I'm going to use this tiny little brush, blend around my eyebrows, where I don't really like how it blended because it's too hard to get into those spots with that little thing. Right now I'm going to go in with my concealer and put it on everywhere where I need it, and we're gonna try to blend it out with that silicone thing. Now I'm gonna go in with the little pointy side and then blend that in to my under eyes. I really like how it makes my foundation look. It looks more dewy. So far, it's blending really well, guys. It used pretty much everything that I put onto it. But yeah, if I was using a sponge, I would use way more foundation. Like, I would have had to put it everywhere on my face. Hey guys, for our next step, we're gonna be setting our face with I'm gonna use my Coty Airspun loose face powder. Really pack it under your eyes, chin, lip area. While that sets for a while, we're gonna bronze our face and then we're gonna wipe off the rest with a brush, like a fluffy brush. This is the one that I use. It's from Walmart and I really like it. I just love how it feels. It feels really good quality. I'm gonna go in with my favorite bronzer right now, with the top part that's all used. Just gonna get some on a little angled brush that I have and then bronze our face. Bronze the chin and then bronze the nose, like kind of like if you're contouring it. Okay, now that we're done with the bronzer, we're gonna clean up under our eyes. And chin, and our nose, and our forehead, if we had any extra. Our next step is blush. Right now I'm going to be using this little e.l.f. blush that I have and go in with this blush brush that I have. It's, I think, from Walmart also. It's really good though. And just put as much as you want and then build it up. This one has like a little bit of like shine to it. It's like barely any pink. Okay guys, for the next step we're gonna be doing eyeshadow and I'm gonna be using my Urban Decay Born to Run palette. And here are the shades in it. Really colorful and also neutral. I need to do a look that matches what I'm wearing. It's like a little nude pink dress. I've been wearing dresses a lot lately since they're really comfortable because I'm pregnant. Okay, the first shade we're going to be using is Riff. We're going to be using that as a transition shade. This one right here. I'm only grabbing a little bit, guys, and the pigment is really good on these eyeshadows. And they're really buildable too. That's good enough. And now we're gonna go in with this, like another blending brush, and go in with Punk right here. It's kind of like a maroon shade, like a really, it's not brown, but it's kind of like, I'm gonna put that on the outer edges. Put little tiny bit on your brush and then keep blending it like this into your crease and on the edge. Just build it up in the crease. And then bring it a little forward. I'm gonna use this orange shade called Baja. I'm gonna put a little bit right here beside this color. I don't know, I'm not even gonna be matching my clothes, but it's okay. I'm gonna use this color right here called Baja. I actually like that. I'm gonna get this shade with this small brush called Blaze. Right here, this one. Put it right there. So now we're gonna go into our lower lash line with this color. I'm gonna go in with the orange shade Baja that we put on our eyelid, and then put that right beside this shade. Okay guys, that's it for the eyeshadow. Now we're just gonna go in with some eyeliner. There we go. What we're gonna do is grab that same brush that we used and blend that a little to give us like a smoky waterline effect. I'm done with the eyeliner and eyeshadow, and I'm gonna be putting on some false eyelashes right now, and I'll be right back. Guys, we got those eyelashes on, and now I'm gonna do highlight. I'm gonna be going in with this Wet n Wild highlight. It is in the shade Precious Petals. Highlighting and eyeshadow is my favorite part of doing makeup. I just love to highlight. I love how it looks. And on the Cupid's bow right here. On the bridge of your nose like this, and on the forehead. Guys, so now we're gonna get highlight from the same highlight. We're gonna get some on a smaller brush. I'm gonna use this one that I always use, like the brow bone, and be a little more precise. I'm gonna get some and just put it right there. Okay, and now we're gonna get a smaller brush, and I'm gonna go in with this really small little brush. Put some on our inner corners. Okay, I think I'm just gonna go in with a clear lip gloss, and then this one's from Dollar Tree, guys. And it's really good. It's not even sticky. I'm gonna try to do a full face of Dollar Tree makeup for you guys. If you guys would like that, comment down below if you want me to try to do a full face of Dollar Tree makeup. Here's the lip gloss. And now we're just gonna set this look with some setting spray. Using this mirror that I got at Dollar Tree, guys. I got a bunch of good stuff at Dollar Tree the other day. And this mirror is so cute. I have some foundation that I'm gonna try also, but that's in the video. I think I'm gonna wait until I get the full face of Dollar Tree makeup. There we go. Okay guys, so this is the finished look and I hope you guys really liked it. My final thoughts on the silicone applicator is that they're really good, and I really like how they use like every little bit of your makeup. And yeah guys, I really hope you guys like this look, and tell me what you guys think. Tell me some products that you guys want me to try for you. Anything will help for some video ideas. And yeah, thanks for watching guys.